Would you like a rule that can help you get everything you want in life? Well, stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, we inspire. Read an article by a lady named Alexa V.S. No idea. All right. The title of the article was The 10% Rule That Can Help You Get Everything You Want in Life. Be bold. All right, let's get to the article because it's very, very good. Here it is. Don't be ridiculous, my stepmother told my father as we were waiting to check in our baggage at the airport. My father rolled his eyes. I'm not being ridiculous. You know they're not going to give us a free upgrade. You've already tried. My stepmother arched an eyebrow. So? No one gives anything for free. Watch me. My stepmother, probably one of the boldest people I know, fixed her red lipstick, extracted her passport, and marched to the check-in counter with a blinding smile and abundant gesticulation. I don't know if I pronounced that one right. She spoke with the check-in officer while pointing in our direction. Cheeks red, my father put on a cap, grabbed my sisters and my hand, and forced us to turn away from my stepmother. The strength of his grip let me know he was more than embarrassed. He was furious. Whatever you do, my father told us, don't ever act like your stepmother. She's a bit crazy. And then laughter interrupted my father's lesson. The check-in officer's laughter. Girls, my stepmother waved at us. Come on. My stepmother had gotten us the free upgrade. I told you it would work someday, she told my father, a victorious smile on her face. Though she'd been turned down before, my stepmother had continued asking for free upgrades until she got it. That's the power of being bold. The power of the 10% rule. The key to success is boldness. According to Jennifer Cohen, best-selling author and lifestyle coach, most of us don't get what we want in life because of self-doubt. Self-doubt is why we stay at crappy jobs, why we don't ask for a raise, why we don't introduce ourselves to the person we like. Self-doubt is why we believe that a free flight upgrade is impossible. It's the belief that we can't do something because we'll fail. It's the voice in our heads that tells us we're not good enough, that points out all the reasons why going after what we want is pointless. The thing is that, as the cliche as it is, everything you want is on the other side of fear. If you let self-doubt dominate your life, you'll never get what you want. That's why Cohen said in her 2019 TED Talk that the key to success is to be bold. Want a job at a specific company? Send an email to the human resources manager even if they don't have any posting on LinkedIn. Want to meet that cute person? Say hi. Want a raise? Ask for it. In her talk, Cohen mentions a survey that interviewed thousands of people who believed they deserved a raise. The results were eye-opening. More than 60% of the participants didn't even ask for a raise for fear their boss would say no. Of the 30% who were bold enough to ask for more money, 70% got it. The majority, they got the raise. The bottom line, ask for what you want. Act. Though there's always the risk of failure, the only way to be part of the 70% that gets a pay raise is to ask. However, we all know it's easier said than done. Worst, most people believe that being as bold as my stepmother is something you're either born with or not. Wrong. Boldness is something you can develop. True, some people are innately bolder than others, but you can train yourself to go for what you want, to say, screw it, to self-doubt. How? By making boldness a habit, something you can achieve with Cohen's 10% rule. The 10% rule. The idea behind the 10% rule is simple. For whatever you want most in life, commit yourself to making at least 10 attempts. Want a romantic relationship? Ask out 10 people. Want to have a job you like? Apply to 10 interesting job postings on LinkedIn. Or better yet, send 10 emails straight to the companies you'd like to work for. Want to earn a side income? Try 10 side hustles until you find the one that fits you. Now you may be thinking, why is it called the 10% rule if we're talking about attempts? Good question. It's called the 10% rule because Cohen realized that when you attempt something 10 times, you'll probably be successful once, 10% of the time. Either that, or you'll achieve exactly what you set out for, or you'll get something you never even knew you wanted. This is extremely beneficial for two reasons. One, you'll get results, duh. And two, you'll learn to embrace failure or rejection 90% of the time. Still, it pays to start small. Boldness is a skill that can take time to develop if you've never tried it before. For this, Cohen recommends we start asking for the inconsequential things that we want, thinking of them as boldness training. For example, next time you go to a restaurant, ask for a change in the menu. Next time you book a hotel, ask for a free upgrade. Next time you meet up with friends, ask them to do an activity you've never done as a group before, but that you'd all enjoy. Done repeatedly, the small things will gift you the confidence needed to chase your big, life-changing goals. However, two caveats. The way you ask for things is extremely important. My stepmother was all smiles, jokes, and compliments as she asked for the free upgrade. Had she been demanding and offensive, the result would have likely been a big, fat no. Learning from your failed attempts and pivoting is a must. Otherwise, you won't get that one occasion that gets you closer to the life that you want. As Einstein famously said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results. Still, though how we act has a huge impact on our results, the most important step is to simply act. Your strategy or charisma doesn't matter if you never put a foot forward. As the saying goes, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Boldness isn't something you're either born with or without. It's something you can and must develop to get the life that you want. Boldness isn't a lack of self-doubt. Boldness is acting on your beliefs and desires even when you're afraid. So why not try the 10% rule? Why not commit yourself to shooting for what you want at least 10 times? Most people never even make 10 attempts. Hell, as the pay raise survey showed, most people don't even make one. So, by making boldness a habit, you'll be way ahead of the crowd. Chase after what you want. Don't just settle for what you can get. Be bold. Once again, huge shout out to Alexa. Great article. And always remember, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.